हेलो गाइस, सो वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं फैट बॉब हार्ले डेविडसन की, जिसकी डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो जाती है 16 एंड 83 सीसी की बाइक हो जाती है ये आपकी। तो इसके लिए हम पूरा आपको रिव्यू बताने जा रहे हैं इसका। तो चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ।
Dynamic shots of the Harley Davidson Fat Boy 114. Welcome to the world of power, style, and iconic design. Today, we dive into the details of the legendary Harley Davidson Fat Boy 114. Let's start with the dimensions. The Fat Boy 114 boasts a length of 2,370 millimeters, a ground clearance of 115 millimeters, and a seat height of 675 millimeters, providing a perfect blend of comfort and control. The Michelin Scorcher 11 tires, with a front specification of 160/60 or 18 and rear of 240/40 or 18, ensure a smooth and stable ride. And with an impressive fuel capacity of 18.9 liters, your journeys are boundless. Under the hood, the Milwaukee 8 engine roars with power, boasting a displacement of 1,868 cubic centimeters and a compression ratio of 10.5:1. It's the heart of this beast. Feel the thrill with 155 Newton meters of torque at 3,250 RPM and 94 horsepower at 5,020 RPM. Lean into the corners with a confident 25.6-degree lean angle on both sides. Stay informed with the 5-inch analog speedometer, providing details on gear, odometer, fuel level, and more. And in true Harley Davidson fashion, all LED lights illuminate the road with signature style. Whether you're cruising down the open highway or navigating urban streets, the Fat Boy 114 delivers exceptional performance, with a fuel economy of 5L/100 km and CO2 emissions at 129 G/km. It's as efficient as it is powerful. The primary drive, a chain with a 34:46 ratio, ensures smooth power delivery. The dual bending valve front fork and hidden monoshock in the rear, along with machined Lancaster cast aluminum wheels, provide a balanced and responsive ride. Fine-tune your ride with the toolless hydraulic preload adjustment, giving you control over every aspect of your journey. Now, let's talk about the price. The Harley Davidson Fat Boy 114 comes in various colors: vivid black for INR 24,49,000, color for INR 24,68,000, two-tone for INR 25,19,000, and the special 120th anniversary edition for INR 25,99,000. In conclusion, the Harley Davidson Fat Boy 114 is not just a motorcycle. It's a statement. Experience the power, the style, and the legacy. Ride on, and let the adventure begin. For more information or to schedule a test ride, visit your nearest Harley Davidson dealership or check out our website. Harley Davidson, where freedom and adventure unite.